When we think of the core materials used to make the perfect pair of leggings or bikini bottoms, stretchy, figure-hugging materials often come to mind. Materials made from elastin, for example, are highly stretchable, highly breathable, and are highly resilient to heat. It's ideal for sinking you in and keeping you well supported when swimming or exercising. Sounds like a winner, right? Unfortunately, these common materials we're so used to seeing aren't so great on the environment. They require a lot of heat and energy to make and are usually fully synthetic. Not so great. Look at the state of those. I can't believe I've only worn them twice. The stitching's coming out, they're faded. What an absolute load of old rubbish. When purchasing swimwear, it's important to buy from brands who are sustainably sourcing their fabrics and making durability their primary focus. Swimmers, which are made from Econyl and Extra Life Lycra, are your best bet, as you know they'll stand the test of time. Extra Life Lycra is a massive step forward, as it still provides that great support and stretchability we've grown to appreciate, but with less negative compromises to the environment. I cannot stress the importance of buying sustainably more. The fact of the matter is, we shouldn't be buying more to begin with. The idea is to buy less, but buy better. If you're buying high quality, durable garments, then you'll be able to wear them and cherish them for a very long time, eliminating the need to keep going back to the shops and buying more. This is what is happening right now due to the overconsumption and disposing of clothes in landfill. We can make a difference if we shop wisely, consciously, and far less. Support businesses which embody principles of the circular economy and with whom make garments from materials already in circulation. These scenes will be a reality for many more decades to come if we don't begin taking the active, conscious steps. Ways in which we can prevent vast amounts of garments ending up in landfill is by looking after their durability. So if you're a fan of swimming and you've got into a swimming pool, when you come out, make sure you wash all the chlorine off your swimming costume straight away. Chlorine is really bad because it fades bright colours and it can also really deteriorate fabric. Always hand wash your gym and swimwear to take extra care of it. It also will protect the elasticity and it will protect the threading, as opposed to using a really rough spin cycle. So when you're hand washing your swim and gym wear, you need a really good, gentle and natural washing detergent or soap. And if you use one that isn't natural, you can risk irritating your skin. So taking care of your gym and swimwear will mean it lasts so much longer, and that means you'll have less trips to the shop and less garments will end up in landfill. So it's a win-win. I've fallen victim to it a couple of times myself. Sometimes a strap can come loose or a hole can be seen in your favourite bikini. Do not panic. Knowing how to make small repairs to your garments is a game changer in prolonging their life cycle. It's good to always have a small sewing kit handy for this very reason. Simply start sewing in a straight line to connect the strap back onto the bikini top. Remember to stretch the fabric as you stitch so the stitching lies comfortably within the fabric and therefore isn't so tightly connected. It shouldn't take longer than about 5 minutes, and hey presto, a bikini top which is as good as new. Respecting and cherishing your garments is essential in prolonging their life cycle and reducing the amount seen in landfill every year. It's important to choose wisely. Econyl and Extra Life Lycra provide the support and elasticity we so crave and are environmentally friendly too. Days like these can be enjoyed for many years to come with good quality, durable garments which won't end up in landfill or in our beautiful oceans. Buy less, but buy better.